On behalf of the leadership and the entire members of the Nigeria Labour Congress, Lagos State, we heartily welcome you all to this year's International Workers' Day.
The theme of this year's May Day, the Workers' Day celebration, is reclaiming the civic space in the midst of economic hardship.
But the union makes us strong. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong.
Today is not merely a date on the calendar. It's a solemn reminder of our responsibility to protect, promote, and empower those whose daily toils keep the wheel of society turning.
My dear great workers of Lagos State, this administration has painstakingly taken steps to ameliorate the ongoing hardship currently faced by public servants. In the public service, the new minimum wage of 85,000 has been implemented effectively since July 2024, with all arrears fully paid.
But I stand here very delighted, truly happy that we have all been able to come forward and keep to the tradition of ensuring that we observe our May Day celebration. There is need for us to be happy in Lagos. There is need for us to be joyous. Because when we came last year, we made a lot of promises. We said to you that Lagos State will continue to take the lead in the public service of Nigeria. We are happy to come back and report that all throughout the negotiation that led to minimum wage, Lagos kept the promise and were the largest and were the highest paying up on today.
Oh, so